Welcome to our video on Hublot Watches, a brand that has redefined luxury watchmaking with its bold designs and innovative spirit. Known for its iconic art of fusion philosophy, Hublot seamlessly blends traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge materials and avant-garde aesthetics. From the sporty Big Bang collection to the elegant classic fusion line, each timepiece is a testament to precision, creativity, and individuality. In this video, we'll explore the craftsmanship, innovation, and iconic designs that make Hublot a favorite among watch enthusiasts and collectors worldwide. Whether you're a fan of bold statements or understated elegance, join us as we dive into the world of Hublot watches where art meets engineering. Number 7. The Hublot Big Bang Unico Saxem. The watch is a groundbreaking timepiece that showcases Hublot's innovative spirit and mastery of materials. This watch features a vibrant green case made from Saxem, sapphire aluminum oxide and rare earth mineral, a cutting-edge material that offers exceptional brilliance and durability. The translucent dial provides a captivating view of the Unico Hub 1242 automatic movement, highlighting the intricate mechanics within. The sapphire crystal ensures scratch resistance, while the bold design and luminous accents enhance readability. With water resistance up to 100 meters, it's as functional as it is striking. The Big Bang Unico Saxem is more than just a watch, it's a fusion of art, science, and horology. Its unique aesthetic and innovative use of materials make it a standout piece for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Number 6. The Hublot Classic Fusion Mykonos. The watch is a stunning timepiece that captures the essence of the iconic Greek island's vibrant energy and serene beauty. This watch features a sleek 45 mm titanium case with a striking blue dial, reminiscent of the Aegean Sea, and a matching blue rubber strap for a modern, sporty look. The minimalist design is enhanced by polished finishes and a date window, blending elegance with functionality. Powered by a reliable automatic movement, it ensures precise timekeeping, while the sapphire crystal provides scratch resistance and clarity. With water resistance up to 50 meters, it's perfect for both casual and formal occasion. The classic Fusion Mykonos is more than just a watch, it's a celebration of Mediterranean charm and Hublot's signature art of fusion philosophy. Whether you're strolling along the beach or attending a sophisticated event. Number 5. The Hublot Big Bang DJ Snake. The watch is a bold and electrifying timepiece born from the collaboration between Hublot and world-renowned DJ and producer, DJ Snake. This watch embodies the energy and creativity of the music industry, featuring a striking black ceramic case with vibrant green accents that mirror DJ Snake's signature style. The Skeltonase dial offers a mesmerizing view of the Unico Hub 1242 automatic movement, showcasing the intricate mechanics within. The sapphire crystal ensures durability and scratch resistance, while the bold design and luminous details enhance readability. With water resistance up to 100 meters, it's as functional as it is stylish. Number 4. The Hublot Big Bang EWAT Life. The watch is a groundbreaking timepiece that seamlessly blends luxury watchmaking with cutting-edge technology. Designed in collaboration with Watt, We Are Tennis, this watch celebrates a sporty lifestyle and sustainability. It features a bold 44 mm case crafted from black ceramic or titanium, paired with vibrant green accents that symbolize eco-consciousness and energy. The Skeltonase dial offers a captivating view of the Unico Hub 1242 automatic movement, showcasing Hublot's precision engineering. The sapphire crystal ensures durability and scratch resistance, while the bold design and luminous details enhance readability. With water resistance up to 100 meters, it's as functional as it is stylish. The Big Bang EWAT Life also includes a unique NFC chip, allowing wearers to access exclusive content and experiences through the Watch app. Number 3. The Hublot Big Bang Tourbillon Samuel Ross. The watch is a masterpiece of avant-garde design, born from the collaboration between Hublot and acclaimed British designer Samuel Ross. This timepiece redefines luxury with its bold, industrial-inspired aesthetic, featuring a micro-blasted titanium case with vibrant orange accents that reflect Ross' signature style. The skeletonized dial offers a mesmerizing view of the intricate manual winding tourbillon movement, showcasing Hublot's horological expertise. The sapphire crystal ensures durability and scratch resistance, while the bold design and luminous details enhance readability. Limited to just 50 pieces, this watch is a true collector's item, blending art, design, and precision engineering. With water resistance up to 30 meters, it's as functional as it is striking. The Big Bang Tourbillon Samuel Ross is more than just a watch, it's a wearable work of art, designed for those who appreciate bold, unconventional design and exceptional craftsmanship. Number 2. The Hublot Big Bang Unico Aero Bang. The watch is a bold and innovative timepiece that redefines the boundaries of watch design. This watch features a striking 42 case crafted from black ceramic or titanium, with a unique arrow-shaped pusher at 2 o'clock that adds a distinctive touch to its sporty aesthetic. The skeletonized dial offers a captivating view of the Unico Hub 1280 automatic movement, showcasing Hublot's precision engineering and horological expertise. The sapphire crystal ensures durability and scratch resistance, while the bold design and luminous details enhance readability. With water resistance up to 100 meters, it's as functional as it is stylish. The Big Bang Unico Aero Bang is more than just a watch, it's a fusion of innovation, performance, and avant-garde design. Number 1. The Hublot Classic Fusion Orlinski. The watch is a stunning collaboration between Hublot and contemporary artist Richard Orlinski, blending horology with sculptural art. This timepiece features Orlinski's signature facette design, with a 40 case crafted from titanium, ceramic, or king gold, giving it a bold, geometric aesthetic. The dial, available in vibrant colors like blue, black, or titanium gray, complements the angular case, while the sapphire crystal ensures durability and scratch resistance. Powered by a reliable automatic movement, it offers precise timekeeping, and the date window adds practicality to its artistic design. With water resistance up to 50 meters, it's suitable for everyday wear. The Classic Fusion Orlinski is more than just a watch, it's a wearable sculpture, designed for those who appreciate the fusion of art and engineering. Whether you're attending a formal event or making a bold style statement,